what's up? My name's Jessie and welcome to my channel. So today's video is me making my Halloween costume. So a quick little backstory. One of my best friends, Laura, threw a Shrek themed Halloween party. Now this was supposed to happen at my house last year, but then with everything, the world shut down again, we couldn't do it. So I'm living vicariously through Laura with this party. And since last year, I knew I wanted to be Lord Farquaad, mostly because that was shortly after I had chopped my hair and went dark that I was like, okay, perfect match. So this year it finally happened. This is me making my costume and I must say, I freaking killed it. So enjoy this video, keep watching because at the end there are some little clips of the party and yeah, here we go. Happy Halloween. Okay, so this is my dress that I ordered from Shein. I really went for it mostly because of the neckline and then like the somewhat poofy sleeves. She's a little long. It's not that flattering, but then again, Lord Farquaad, I guess, isn't really a flattering person per se. Anywho, so the first thing that we're going to do is bring this up a bit, kind of hem her. Let's see, maybe, okay, it won't be fitted, but try to bring it up to at least, oh, just above the knees to show that even though we're Lord Farquaad, we're here to have a good time. Does that even make sense? I don't fucking know what that means. Okay, let's start with that. So obviously the first thing I need to do is cut my dress to make it short. Wow, mind blowing. Okay, so Farquaad. Who is he? Yes, we're getting spicy now. I thought I cut it a little too short, but I will be wearing black tights and boots like he does, so I think we're okay. And I also thought I was gonna have to sew the bottom, like the seam, but I don't think I have to do that. So, making progress, let's keep going. Yeah, I decided to sew it. I just wanted a clean hem along the bottom. So for all the gold detailing on my dress, I got a gold vinyl. For my Cricut, I'm using my Cricut to make all the designs on the dress. So for the neckline and the sleeves, I just cut out simple rectangles to go all around with my Cricut. So my boyfriend's brother really came in clutch on this one. He had a heat press, so I just used that for all the vinyl. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, you could very easily do this with some like gold fabric and use a hot glue gun or sew it on or even paint it if you wanted to, but I wanted to use my Cricut and I thought it just kind of made it quicker, easier, and a lot more crisp. And like I said, I did this process for my entire dress. For my gloves, I just got them from Party City and I put a little bit of gold detailing around them as well. For my hat, I got my hat from Shein and just like the gloves and the rest of my dress, a little bit of gold detailing all around the top. So the only cape I could find was a vampire one and it had like that thick collar, so I just went and cut that right off as well. And lastly for my belt, also from Shein, I just took some scrap vinyl and put that around the rim of the belt. And yeah, this is it. Here we go. Looking good, people.